Hello everyone, I am Shavantika, legal intern at Lexis and Company for the month of June, and in this video today we'll understand how to register a partnership firm. So the increasing use of technology has allowed the government entities also to make and function like the registration and the compliances in an online mode. Therefore, in India, although a number of states still follow the offline procedure, there are few states who have adopted the registration process, which requires the application to be filed with the register of the firms. So through following some simple steps, we can register a partnership firm under the Act. So first is by choosing choosing a name for the partnership itself. So a firm should select a name that does not resemble the name or colorable intimidation of the entity that is already in public. Partnership should be not similar or identical to an existing company doing same business. Applicant can check the validity of his or her chosen name at the Ministry of Corporate Affairs website itself. And then is the next step of drafting the partnership deed. So the partnership deed is the most important document for the registration of the company, as it provides the registrar with the following information, that is the name and address of the company and all the partners, then the contact details of the partners, the nature of the business, the duration of the partnership, profit loss sharing ratios, rules regarding the solvency of the firm, and the information of the capital contributed by each partner. All these are mentioned in the deed itself. A third step is the applying for a PAN card in name of the partnership, that is a firm, irrespective of the registration under the Act, has to apply for a permanent account number to an income tax department. Okay, this can be applied on the basis of a current account in the name of the firm itself. The PAN card is basically required to fulfill the obligation of paying the taxes. The fourth step is to file a registration application. The registration application requires the firm to provide information regarding the name of the firm, the nature of the business carried out, and the address of the business, and the name and address of all the partners, the date of commencement of the business, and such all things. This form is further taken to the registrar in the region of the firm's main office. You should remember only the main office. Submitting of the documents along with the registration application, there are certain documents that are also to be submitted to the registrar as a part of the registration process, and it includes the application of registration of the partnership form number 1 and the certificate of the original copy of the partnership deed, specimen of affidavit, the PAN card in the name of the partnership firm, and the proof of address of the partnership firm, ownership deed, lease, rent agreement, etc. There are commonly accepted documents. Then is the process of paying the fees and the stamp duties. So the registration fee and the stamp duty need to be paid at the time of the submission of the documents with the registrar, and the fees varies according to the states. Okay, so one must understand that the registration is not complete until and unless all the dues are already paid. And the next step is finalizing of the deed. To legalize the deed, it should be provided to each partner in writing and on a stamped paper. One stamped paper deed should be duly signed by all the partners in front of the notary. Okay, the value of the stamp varies from state to state again, and the signed copy thereafter is to be submitted to the registrar during the registration process. So now is the step where you can get the certificate of the registration from the registrar. So the registrar, after a thorough examination of the documents, will issue the registration certificate only. The firm will be thus on record on the register of firms, and on the date of this entry, the firm shall be deemed to be registered now. The partnership firm is required to add registered after its name from the date of the registration only. Many of the states in India now provide the facility of registering the partnership firms online, as also quoted by me earlier. The online registration of the partnership firm requires the firms to file an application online. The firm will have to furnish the same information on their form as well. The acknowledgement of the number raised after the submission of the application is further used to log in on the website, and the firm has to upload the scanned copies of the documents as were mentioned in the video itself, and then after reviewing the same, a certificate of registration will be sent through an email in case of online registering. But not all the states permit that as of now. That's all in registration for now. Thank you.